Okay. Do you know an E minor chord yet? I bet you do. All right. Let's do E minor. Just as a refresher, here it is. Okay. Here's the first finger. We want the second finger, second fret of the A string or the fifth string right there. Okay. So you have the open E. Next string, next adjacent string is the A string. There you go. There's that one. And then your third finger, 1, 2, 3, third finger on the second fret, 1, 2, 1, 2, of the D string or the fourth string. Ta-da. All right. Ready? There's your E minor. Is that cool? E minor. All right. Keep that guy stuck there. If your fingers get tired or your hands get tired or whatever, just take it off, and as we go through this lesson, give yourself a little bit of a break. Okay. E minor, but those are the tones you're going to be hearing. So I'm going to base all of this off of an E minor chord. So let's get to these guys. We can do this one of two ways. So if this particular lesson or this module doesn't feel right, you can also do it the other way. But let me just show you this one first. All right, so E minor chord, there you go. All I want you to, we're going to have these guys, right, on the top three strings. Your thumb is here. But now this time, we're going to pluck the low E string. And then after we pluck the low E, we're going to pluck that octave, all right? Which is on the D string, or the fourth string. Sixth string, fifth string, fourth string. There we go, okay? So we're gonna jump from the sixth string to the fourth string. That's kind of weird, okay? Remember, all these other guys, they're nice and loose, okay? So we have low E string, D string. Low E string, D string, sixth string, fourth string, sixth string, fourth string, sixth string, and it might be hard to do in time, so what do? You know what to do. Pause the video, stop the video. There, you have the concept, okay? So I'll break the video here now that you know what to do. Sixth string, fourth string, sixth string, fourth string, and of course, if the E minor chord is hurting, that's okay. All right? What we're really working on right now is fourth string, sixth string, fourth string. So you can take a break, right? And practice this. Same thing as before. Instead of just doing the freak out exercise here, start slowly. But if you want to play a chord, well, this would be an E minor 7. But you can make the chord, and then you have your octave, low E. And here it is here, all right? And then you can play the freak out exercise, which is how fast can I do this? So once you have that accuracy and you can do it 10 out of 10 times, like sinking free throws at the basketball court, you're going for 10 out of 10 times. There, I got that one right. Yep, 2. There's the third time. Yep, 4, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Oh, messed up. Back to 1, 2, 3, and that's all you have to do for now. That's all. And just concentrate. You don't even need to make the chord. If you do want to, well, yeah, if you do want to make the chord, it would be really cool, because then you can start moving it around, just as I say in the lessons, just learn the guitar on its own terms. Well, why not? Well, that sounds like Pink Floyd. Where do they go then? That sounds like something Roger Waters would do. What's that? It's on the wall, right? Maybe he does go up to A. What song is that? And so you can just slide around. Let's do some in time.